Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about these ultimate LinkedIn content creation tools, which is AuthoredUp. So let's quickly dive into the review. So talking about AuthoredUp is a smart tools made for LinkedIn creator who wants to write, format, and schedule posts easily. It can help you plan content, preview posts before publishing, and also track engagement to see what performs best on your platform. While it's great for focused LinkedIn content, the free plan is limited and it lacks advanced features like targeting or tagging a full automation. Still, if you're serious about growing your LinkedIn presence, AuthoredUp is a clean, reliable, and an efficient choice for you to use in building a smart LinkedIn account. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, don't hit the notification button and subscribe for more review.